In 1945, the US dropped atomic bombs on Japan after completing a top secret project, the Manhattan Project. The war ended, but nuclear weapons changed global power forever. The uneasy lines broke, and two ideologies now faced each other: American capitalism versus Soviet communism. This rivalry wouldn't be fought directly, but it would shape the entire world for the next 45 years. This was the beginning of the Cold War. After the Russian Revolution, communism spread under Joseph Stalin. The Soviet Union became a superpower, but at a massive human cost. Purges, gulags, and state surveillance ruled daily life. Meanwhile, communism expanded into Eastern Europe and China, alarming the West. The West saw an enemy rising. The US responded by building hydrogen bombs, far deadlier than atomic bombs. It created the CIA to influence governments across the globe. From Iran to Latin America, secret operations replaced open warfare. This was a war fought in shadows. Both superpowers raced to build enough nuclear weapons to destroy the planet many times over. Germany became the front line. In 1961, the Berlin Wall was built, physically dividing the city into capitalism and communism. But it was not just city that got divided. Many families lost touch with their loved ones overnight. Escape meant death. Division became permanent. Fear became concrete. 1962, the Soviet Union placed nuclear missiles in Cuba, just 90 miles from the United States. President John F. Kennedy faced a terrible choice. Generals demanded war, but he chose negotiation. With the intervention of UN Secretary General Yu Thang, diplomacy won. Missiles were removed, but the threat was still far from over. Both sides planned for total destruction. Mutually assured destruction became the policy. Peace existed only because both sides feared annihilation. Two leaders changed the course of history. Ronald Reagan and Mikhail Gorbachev chose dialogue over destruction. Arms reduction talks began, but by this time, Soviet system was already weakening, exposed further by the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. In 1989, the Berlin Wall collapsed. Eastern Europe broke free from Soviet control. The wall fell, and an empire followed. Inside the USSR, a failed coup accelerated collapse. By 1991, the Soviet Union ceased to exist. The Cold War ended, but it gave birth to something new. Wounded Russia struggled to find its identity. A former KGB officer, Vladimir Putin, rose to power. Conflicts returned in Georgia, Ukraine, and beyond. Nuclear threats remain. Disinformation thrives. The Cold War's shadows still shapes our world.